The 4.0 industrial revolution is happening at a dizzying speed worldwide, with digital economy concepts, IA, IoT, and iOS becoming hot issues for nations and societies. The explosion of the 4.0 revolution has led to the inevitable explosion of the telecommunications revolution. The race of telecommunications operators to upgrade infrastructure has become more aggressive and drastic than ever before due to the realization of the Internet's great potential and the increased demands of customers. Understanding this great potential of the Internet and recognizing the increased demands of customers in the telecommunications industry, BC Fiber Optic was officially born in June 2008 in Istanbul, Turkey. In December 2009, the second branch opened in Hong Kong, and BC Fiber Optic has continued expanding, opening more branches and factories in other regions. In March 2010, the company opened a factory in Shenzhen, China, and a branch in Turkey in July of that same year. It opened in September 2012 in Moscow, Russia, followed by a second factory in Ho Chi Minh City, Vietnam in April 2014. A Barcelona, Spain branch was opened in December 2015, followed by Torino, Italy in January 2017. New Jersey, USA in January 2018, and Paris, France in January 2019. Most recently, a third factory was opened in Erzincan, Turkey, raising the company's total production lines up to 15 and providing the potential to develop from abundant skilled human resources and good tariff policies. The Viet Fiber factory is located in Long Ho Industrial Park, Long An, with a 5,000-meter squared facility, a team of 520 skilled workers, and an investment in technology transfer of modern fiber production lines. The production lines and machines at Viet Fiber are imported from abroad, and the parent company, BC Fiber Optic, has been a comprehensive international telecommunications infrastructure provider for more than a decade. The inheritance of the modern technology transfer from the parent company, in combination with a team of international engineers and a workforce that must undergo specific and mandated training courses before they are allowed to operate the machine and production lines, allows Viet Fiber to create quality products that meet all industry standards. It has the production capability of 2,500,000 terminations every month, and all manufactured products always meet the strict standards of domestic and international markets. With the advancement of technology, in the next decade, existing cable infrastructures will be replaced by new generation optic cables 2.0. Viet Fiber always aims to be a top enterprise, providing optical fiber for telecommunications and electronics industries in Vietnam and the rest of the world. At Viet Fiber, product quality is always the top priority. We are using all the best modern machine and technology in our factory. Input materials are divided into 5 quality segments, from which the appropriate materials are selected depending on the specific requirements to make sure that all products have been quality controlled from the beginning. Currently, Viet Fiber specializes in manufacturing and supplying the following product: patch cords and pigtails, adapters, fast connectors, splitters, breakouts, fanouts. Viet Fiber ensures that all products meet industry standards. Viet Fiber is able to offer the highest quality at the most competitive prices. Viet Fiber has been aiming to become a top fiber supplier to many large and international companies, especially within the telecommunications industry. Currently, Viet Fiber has been supplying mainly in European, Asian, American, and Middle Eastern markets. Companies that have collaborated with and trust Viet Fiber include Turk Telecom, Turkcell, Vodafone, VNPT, EPT, Huawei, AT&T, Orange, ZTE, Etisalat. Industries around the world are witnessing rapid growth in fiber and optical fiber, and Viet Fiber continues to create proactive solutions with advanced technology to keep up with this growth. We are committed to customer satisfaction and strive to provide fiber products of highest quality and the most competitive market prices. This commitment includes practicing the best factory operating policies and environmental responsibility during all production processes,